When you place a Toshiba versus Zojirushi rice cooker side by side, you immediately notice that both brands are designed with the same goal in mind: perfect rice every time. But they approach that goal with slightly different philosophies. Toshiba, often credited with creating the world's first electric rice cooker in 1955, emphasizes heritage and practicality, while Zojirushi, a Japanese brand with over a century of history, leans into precision, refinement, and the pursuit of culinary perfection. When you compare them, you're really comparing two different interpretations of what it means to elevate a humble grain of rice into something extraordinary. By the way, do you usually go for practicality in appliances, or do you lean more toward advanced features? I'm honestly super interested to hear your thoughts in the comments. With Toshiba, the experience often begins with the warmth of tradition. Many of their rice cookers use advanced fuzzy logic or induction heating systems that adjust temperature and cooking time automatically. But the focus is on consistency and reliability. Zojirushi, on the other hand, takes that same fuzzy logic technology and pushes it further, layering in multiple menu settings, microcomputer controls, and even pressure cooking in some models. The result is a sense of precision engineering, where you feel that every cycle is tuned not just for rice in general, but for the exact type of rice you've chosen, whether it's short-grain sushi rice, brown rice, or even a delicate porridge. As you lift the lids, the differences continue to reveal themselves. Toshiba cookers often feature thick, non-stick inner pots designed to distribute heat evenly, and you can feel the reassuring weight of that pot in your hands. Zojirushi's inner pots, by contrast, are often multi-layered with premium coatings, sometimes even platinum infused, which not only enhance durability, but also subtly influence the alkalinity of the water to bring out the sweetness in the rice. The tactile difference is striking. Toshiba feels like a solid workhorse, while Zojirushi feels like a finely tuned instrument. And in case you're interested, I've included links in the description box below where you can check the current prices of all the models I'm talking about in this video. Now let's make these differences concrete by looking at specific models. When you compare the Toshiba TRCS-01 with the Zojirushi NS TSC-10, you're looking at two fuzzy logic cookers designed for everyday reliability. The Toshiba TRCS-01 gives you a 6-cup capacity with essential menu options like white rice, brown rice, mixed grains, porridge, and quick cook. The Zojirushi NS TSC-10 at 5.5 cups offers similar fuzzy logic technology, but adds more specialized settings like sushi rice, sweet rice, and even a cake function. Its inner pot is also non-stick and durable, and the LCD screen is larger and more detailed. Both deliver fluffy rice, but Toshiba feels like the practical choice for daily meals, while Zojirushi feels like an invitation to play with variety. This is a perfect snapshot of the Zojirushi versus Toshiba rice cooker debate. Straightforward reliability versus feature-rich versatility. And I'm genuinely curious, if you had to pick between extra capacity or more specialized settings, which one would matter more to you? Let me know in the comments. If you step up to induction heating, the Toshiba RC18 Druna W and the Zojirushi NP HCT 10XH make for a fascinating comparison. Toshiba's RC18 Druna W offers a generous 10-cup capacity, making it perfect for larger households. Its induction system heats the pot directly, ensuring even cooking and consistent results. You can feel the weight of the pot, a sign of its durability. Zojirushi's NP HCC 10XH, though smaller at 5.5 cups, emphasizes precision over size. It includes specialized menu options like jasmine rice and GABA brown rice, and its multi-layer inner pot is designed for premium performance. Both give you glossy, plump grains, but Toshiba feels like the family workhorse, while Zojirushi feels like the precision tool for enthusiasts. This middle ground really highlights the Toshiba versus Zojirushi rice cooker difference, capacity and practicality versus precision and specialization. At the top tier, the Toshiba RC10JH 1UUSS and the Zojirushi MP NWC10XB represent the pinnacle of each brand. Toshiba's RC10JH 1UUSS combines induction heating with pressure cooking in a 5.5 cup design. It produces rice that's soft yet chewy, with a rich sweetness, and it does so with an interface that's approachable and easy to use. The pot is thick and sturdy, designed for long-term durability. Zojirushi's MPNWC10XB, also a 5.5 cup pressure induction cooker, takes things further with multiple pressure levels, a platinum-infused inner pot, and specialized menu settings like umami rice and steel-cut oatmeal. The results are grains that feel almost jewel-like in their texture and flavor. Both deliver restaurant-quality rice, but Toshiba frames it as accessible luxury, while Zojirushi frames it as the ultimate in culinary artistry. When you step back and look at these brand philosophies alongside the model comparisons, the pattern is clear. Toshiba emphasizes practicality, durability, and accessibility, whether you choose the TRCS 01, the RC18 Druna W, or the RC10JH1 USS. Zojirushi emphasizes precision, versatility, and refinement with the NS TSC10, the MP HCC10XH, and the MP NWC10XB, each pushing the boundaries of what a rice cooker can do. So, when you think about the Zojirushi versus Toshiba rice cooker question, it really comes down to how you see rice in your kitchen. If it's the reliable foundation of every meal, Toshiba is the partner you can lean on. If it's a dish you want to refine and explore in every detail, Zojirushi is the brand that will take you there. And honestly, I'd love to know which way you lean after hearing these comparisons. So share your thoughts in the comments because I'm genuinely curious. And while I remember, if you'd like to check the current price of any of the models I've compared today, you'll find links waiting for you in the description box below.